Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the Grille Thermistor cover on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new Grille Thermistor cover for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The Grille Thermistor cover is located here on the top of the refrigerator housing. To remove, gently pry the cover away from the housing using a flathead screwdriver. Then, carefully peel back the shield. The shield is sold as a separate part, so if it is damaged during the repair, you can purchase a new one on our website. Now pull the thermistor out of the retaining slot on the cover. If you need to purchase a new Grille Thermistor cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the thermistor into the retaining slot on the cover. Then, align and press the shield into the cover with the sticky side facing down. Finally, align the tabs on the cover to the notches on the refrigerator housing and press until it snaps into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.